In this video, we're going to explore how you can align the text of the title. As you can see right now, by default, it is set on the center. When we have now displayed the title, but now what we want to do is we want to push it to the right or to the left, or in other words, you want to push to the right, it will be the end, and if you want to put it to the left, it will be start. Of course, it will depend. If you're on an RTL, it will be exactly the opposite, which is quite nice. ChartJS have thought out that very well. So let's start and explore how to do this. Alright, we go back here, and we have here our app.js, or this is my JS file. We're going to put it in. And basically, remember this, we are right now in the options, and in the options we're in the plugins, and then specifically here the title. So we're going to put in here, in the title, we want to add now, let's say we want to put it to the left, meaning the start. So how to do this? Let's put in comma. Then in here we say align, and in here we can indicate, remember this is a string value, so we say here now start and put it between quotations. Once you do this, you save this, and then as you refresh, you can see now the chart or the title has been repositioned to the right, or to the left, sorry. So what if you want to put it to the right? Well, exactly the same thing. So you can see here, you just say here to the end. Once you say it to the end, refresh, and there you are. The default value is in the center, but also as well you can put it in the center here. There you are. And so you can control this. So this is a quite useful thing to understand in the new setup of ChartJS 3. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in ChartJS, check out in the description box the link directing to my ChartJS course where you can learn everything about ChartJS. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.